Hi there, welcome back, and this is a continuation of the hook project, but we're now going to show you how to create your own drawing page that you can then add in orthographic drawings of the object. So we're going to go back to the blue box file that we did previously. You can see that my particular one there was a picture of the assembly. That's because down the bottom here, what you've got a part studio, which has got the blue box, and you've got an assembly which shows you the fully assembled object. So it doesn't matter which of these you're on, but it's just useful to know there are two different tabs. We're going to go into here, this little plus sign, and select the plus sign, and you're going to do create drawing. And it's quite important that you do this bit correctly, or the rest of it just won't work. So follow this bit quite carefully. You're going to select custom template. You're going to make sure that ISO is selected. You're going to change A4 to A3. That's the size of the paper we're using. Millimeter stays the same. We'll keep this the same, and we'll change this to third angle, which is the type of drawing that we use in the UK. We're going to have a border, but we're going to have no zones. And then we're going to select the OK button across here. And that hopefully should mean that everything's okay. And you should then see down the bottom here on the tab, we now have an extra tab called Drawing 1, which you can rename if you want later on. But at the moment, we'll just leave it as is. Okay. So again, depending on what you've got down here, I'm wanting you to do part 1. If you can't find part 1, you might need to select these sections until you find it and select it. And we have to double click. There we go. Now, up here you can change the scale of this, but I'm going to just stick with this scale, I think. If I go back beforehand and look at the hook drawing, you can see this is the drawing that we had previously. We were working on this to create the objects. Now we're going to create our own orthographic drawing of this. So, and actually looking at that, it looks a little bit bigger. So maybe change the scale a little bit more. So I'll show you how to do that as well. But I would basically like you to have something similar to these three boxes that are on the screen just now. So we'll change that to 1 to 1. I'm going to pop that in there. So you click once, and we move along, and you're going to click again. Now, we still have a little square with the 4 lines on there. So if I hit the escape key, this will change to a normal arrow. There we go. And we're then going to go back in again, and with your mouse, right click, and we're going to select show hidden lines, because I want to see the hidden detail in this object, which we can now see. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit now so we can just see what's going on. And then in the next video, we're going to show you how to do some dimensioning on this object as well. But I think that's probably enough for this video. Okay, so this is part 1 of quite a number of videos on how to create a drawing. Thank you.